Hello, welcome to another video, and in today's video I will be teaching you how to download and install Promods. So let's get started. First things first, you are going to go to promods.net, okay, and then it's going to take you to this page. If you have not yet registered with the Promods, you will need to register. As you will see, it says register or log in. So you will register, and this is how you register. You just click on register, and then you agree to these terms. After scrolling down, you choose a username, an email address, a password, and then confirm your password. And you will also do the time zone things and the language as well, and then afterwards you will receive your email. But for me, because I have already registered, the only thing I have to do is to log in, okay? Then once you are registered, you go to the download section where it says Promods Europe. You click on that, and then it's gonna ask you to generate a definitions file. You want to go ahead and do that because it's a very important part of your downloads, okay? You want to leave everything as it is and just say generate. And then it's going to require you to save the file, and then you are going to save the file and you are going to close that tab. Then you move on to step 2. In step 2, this is where they ask you how do you want to download. You can download using one file, or for this option rather, you will have to pay €1 for it. And alternatively, you can download it for free. And when you download for free, it is divided into 11 parts. Now, the downside of this is that you have to wait 5 minutes between the downloads. But I will do you a favor, put all of them in one folder and upload them for you, and you can just download them from a different site. But if you do prefer to go with the Promods, please, with all means, go ahead with Promods, okay? So the next thing that you will do is say you decide to go with the one that I have given you in the link in the description, where you just download once. So you click on the link, and it is going to require you to subscribe to my channel, of course. So you click on subscribe, and then I'm already subscribed, so there is nothing for me to do. So I'm just gonna close this, okay? Because I'm already subscribed, you are going to see it says it's already done. Then it's going to say like a video, and this is a video of a Mapa American Brazil mod. It's a very exciting mod, one that you can download and have lots of fun in it. But the requirement in this one is for you to like the video in order for you to unlock the link, okay? So you will go ahead and like the video, and I have already done it, and then click. Then you can unlock the link, okay? And there you go. It is written Promods Europe. It is 2.7 gig, and it is one file that you have to download. So you'll go ahead and click on create a download link, and then you click on download, okay? Now, once this is done, you will need another program, okay? It's called 7zip, and I am also going to leave a link in the description for this as well. So go to google.com and then just search for 7zip, okay? It is the first one, and then you will also click on this first one on top. This is if you are using Windows, of course. Okay, you'll click download, and then you will go ahead and install 7zip. I'll just leave the link in the description for you, okay? So once your download is finished downloading, so you will now go to your downloads folder, and then if you are using Windows 11, 11, you are going to right click and then just click on extract all. If you are using 7-zip, let me show you how you do that as well. Okay, there we go. You will open your 7-zip and then you will go to your downloads folder, Promods Europe. There we go. Okay, so you want to go ahead and extract that to the downloads folder. Okay, you're gonna wait a few seconds. This is probably gonna take something like 10 seconds, okay, depending on your system speed as well. Okay, now it is done, and then the next thing is for us to look for the extracted folder. Okay, then you double click and you enter inside and you will find the 11 files that you were meant to download one by one. Okay, so you'll find them here. Then you click on all of them, select all of them, and then click on the extract again. Okay, but let us move this just to the downloads folder. Okay, there we go, and it's also gonna take a little bit of time. For me, it's saying something like 30 seconds. Okay, but it is moving. Okay, so we're gonna wait for it to be done, and then we are gonna go to the next step. Okay, so now it is done. Okay, it is done. So you can go ahead and close your 7-zip. You can go ahead and also close your browser. Okay, so what we now want is this one here. There we go. Promods version 2.73. You enter inside and then you will find this list of files. These are SCS files, and by now if you take a look at your downloads or this file that you have extracted, it is 11.1 gigs. Okay, so what you want to do is you want to go to the definitions file that you've downloaded. Okay, this one here, you want to cut it and you want to go back into the file that you have extracted. You want to paste it in there as well. Then you go ahead and you select everything, you cut it, or you right click. Okay, let me show you. Right click and cut as well. Then you go to Documents, Euro Truck Simulator, Mod File, and you right click and paste the files in there. Okay, so I've already done it, so there is no need for me to redo it. Then the next thing you want to do is you want to open your Euro Truck Simulator 2. This step is very important, because if you miss it here, your game can crash and therefore you do not enjoy the Promods. Okay, so let us just wait for our game to load up properly, and we are going to arrange the mods in their correct order. Okay, so game has started. Okay, so what you can do is you can go to your normal Europe profile. Okay, your base map profile. By the way, this map, it will require for you to have all the DLCs as well. Okay, so I am just going to click on the right and then say mods. Okay, and I'm gonna leave it here for you, and you can just pause the video and arrange them in this way. But I will tell you at the bottom, it is models 3, models 2, models 1, and then media, map, DLC support, and then definitions package, and lastly it is going to be your assets. Okay, if you do like the video and it has helped you out a lot, please do drop a like in the video and tell me how you are enjoying the map in the comment section, because as you did already see in the intro part of the video, it is going to add Greenland for you. It's going to add Iceland for you. There's some island. It's going to add Peru Island as well. It's going to add Cyprus, Georgia. There's also another island called Malta, and another one that starts with an S. It's quite a long list. If you are enjoying it, please do let me know in the comments section. And from me, 17's tutorials, it is bye bye. God bless you.